engraving, drilling, cutting. Wizmaker CNC does it all. No upgrades or mods needed. One machine, ready to handle everything from wood to metal. Let your ideas flow freely. The 300W high torque spindle spins up to 12,000 RPM for intense cutting performance. Dream big, create bigger. Compared to most CNC machines, it's over 30% more efficient, so you get more done. Control every move with confidence. Wizmaker's self-developed 32-bit board delivers industrial-grade processing for unmatched precision. Operated by feel, the physical handle gives you fast, intuitive control even without looking at a screen. Centering round materials takes just one step. Wizmaker's exclusive 4-point positioning system makes circular work faster and easier. Dust and debris taken care of. Optional covers and a dual-stage filtration system keep your workspace clean and your machine running longer. Want to engrave complex shapes or cylinders? The 4th-axis module lets you take on 3D and irregular surfaces like a pro. Unleash your full creative power. The Wizmaker CNC becomes your all-in-one creative workshop.